Okay, next step is financial accounting. General ledger accounting, master data, GL, preparation, uh, edit chart of accounts list, PP66. What is chart of accounts? I'll tell you later. This is basically PP66 Power Plus. Okay, PP66 chart of accounts. This is used for making GL accounts, general ledger accounts for finance, and these are used in MM for integration. Assign company codes to chart of accounts, and this is necessary. This is backbone of SAP. PP66. Okay, PP66. Save. Define account group. Okay, I've selected 8842. Okay, copy as PP66. PP66. P66. And these are accounts that we make. So we will make material accounts for raw materials, semi-finished good, finished goods, GRIR accounts, all will be made over here. Okay, saved. Define retained earnings account. Now, retained earnings account basically part of finance, where it collects all of the profit and losses of the year and clubs it. Chart of accounts PP66. X. 20,000. So this is basically used for balancing in at year end. Save, enter. Okay, till now clear? Okay. This is done. Now, some more settings in finance. Maintain fiscal year variant. No, we will assign fiscal year variant. Now, what is fiscal year variant? We actually assign a certain pattern for posting PP66, whether the fiscal year will be January to December or July to June, as it is followed in Asia, in South Asia. So we are using K4, January, December will be fiscal year. Save. Okay. Next is posting periods. This is also important. Define variants. We'll do it easily. Assign variants to company code. We'll use our template AA42 PP66 AA42. Save. This is saved. Okay. Open and close posting periods. Now this open and closing allows us to post in those periods, in those months. So we can open and close these months. AA42. So it's 24 to 24, from 1st to 12th, all is open. Okay, which is good for all the accounts. Okay. Ledger, this is also important. Company code settings, ledger. Now leading ledger is one ledger which is universal across the whole of landscape of SAP. So this is the king ledger, you can say. It has all the entries, manual entries and everything that go into this ledger. And it can only be one. Only one leading ledger will be there. So we double click Power Plus. Okay, accounting principle, we have to assign accounting principle. Functional currency is operational currency, parallel accounting using GL accounts. Okay, this is done. Yeah. Okay, this is done. We go to the next step. Controlling, general controlling, maintain controlling area. Now, what is controlling area? I'll tell you that later. Maintain controlling area. New entries. Okay. Controlling area is equal to company code PP66. Okay, it copies everything. Cross company code will be controlling area. I know this is a little bit confusing, but let's just PP66 INT. Just let's follow it like this religiously. Okay. Activate components. It says this is not existing. Should it be made? Yes. Okay. New entries. 2024 cost centers will be active. Order management will be active. Project sales or cost objects will be active. Assignment of company codes. New entries. PP66, and we can assign more company codes. Okay. Okay. Basic data. One thing that we have missed is this. TUSD. Group currency, United States dollars. M rate, source currency type. Okay, let's not use that. Save. Okay, this is done. Now, next step, we'll do it later.